Welcome to the Google Maps SEO course 2023, a transformative learning experience designed to propel your local business to new heights. Let's dive into each keyword phrase, future-proofing with Google Maps SEO. Explore the upcoming trends shaping Google Maps SEO in 2023. Uncover advanced strategies to stay ahead in local search. Harnessing the power of evolving algorithms and user behaviors. Mastering cold calling for SEO success, gain confidence in client outreach with effective cold calling techniques. Learn how to pitch your Google Maps SEO services. Build client relationships and turn cold leads into satisfied customers. In-depth Google Maps SEO strategies. Delve into comprehensive strategies for optimizing your business on Google Maps. From profile enhancement to leveraging local SEO techniques. This module ensures a holistic understanding. Monetizing Google Maps SEO efforts. Discover diverse avenues for making money online through your enhanced Google Maps presence. From attracting local customers to offering SEO services, monetize your online presence effectively. Exploring online income opportunities. Beyond Google Maps SEO, explore various online income streams. Learn about affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and freelancing. Providing a well-rounded understanding of online revenue generation. Google My Business SEO Essentials. Optimize your Google My Business profile for enhanced visibility. Uncover the essentials of GMB SEO, including keyword optimization, compelling business descriptions, and managing customer reviews. Monetizing your Google My Business presence. Transform your GMB presence into a revenue-generating asset. Understand how to leverage positive customer reviews. Utilize GMB features and strategically position your business for online success. Empowering your Google Maps SEO journey. Congratulations on completing the Google Maps SEO course 2023, armed with cutting-edge insights, effective cold calling skills,